we're trying to get this done. Somebody might have rounded it, but that's because someone brought us the wrong part. So we're trying to get it breaker bar.
Okay, what's it turn? It's turning the whole thing. Is it turning the cam?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, that's.
There's a bolt still. One that you see or one that you think?
One that's right there and obvious too.
That is Jackson's fault. Jackson did the top and the under.
Oh, let me get a mirror to see under where it was actually checked versus mine.
That was the alternator one that you took off.
I didn't take nothing off, or I took it off and put it right there.
I took it off.
Is it this bolt?
Yeah. Wait. I thought that was supposed to be there. Oh, there's another one too.
No wonder it ain't budge. I was like, this is ceiling, not stinking concrete. You know what? You work on that. We're gonna go get my glasses.
Yep. I want the idiot away from the car.
I saw that blind.
That's crazy, bro. Personally, I would not think I disrespect, but yet you're you, so kind of happy.
I'm not gonna I'm like Josh would. Small town, baby. Stranger. Where'd Chance go?
Alright, I'm only counting 25. Bolted out. Which means we would hypothetically be missing one.
Your check would make sense.
Right.
Where's the 26? Okay, so do you get.
So I want to locate these top bolts. I can't find the 26. So it's the 1, 2, 3. There. So wait. Will this be 26? No.
No, just two.
Okay, so this is 22, 20, 15, 21, 19, 15. What did you see 15, 15? I found it. I found it.
Where? Where?
Right here.
Oh my.
Where?
What? What?
Where? I missed it. Right here.
Oh my god.
I'm taking a lap.
I'll see you tomorrow. Give me a hammer. I gotta get this shit out.
No, I guess.
We can't have this chiseling. That bolt is holding on by dear life at this point.
Where's Chance go?
He left.
He left.
Yeah. He just dipped.
Yeah, let's.
I don't blame him.
Are you putting the ejectors back on?
I'm gonna get this bolt out. Stupid ass. Fuck that shit.
You're back. Anything for a bit.
Is it out yet?
I'm going right now. I swear to God, if this is not
Hey,
it,
we don't swear to God.
I swear on my mother.
I actually went and took a lap.
I took a lap in there.
You said left, you said drive. Where'd you go?
I just went, I turned out left, went, just basically took a little circle of lefts. Thinking one of you or me.
I swear, this
Okay.
bolt is so loose that how the fact is it in? No, this is not it. This cannot be it.
But it is. It's got to. That's the only other bolt. That is. It's it. On the bright side, we got to it, bro. What a plot twist. Ta-da. There's our drama for today. We gotta clip it in everything, bro.
Alright, I'm going home, guys.
Me too. I'm out of here.
I'm
We're
gonna
done
go
for
get
today.
some lunch.
See you tomorrow. Yeah.
That thing was holding on for a dear life.
Gosh, it is even bent. What the heck?
Wait.
I-
Hold the applause, hold the applause, because it still isn't falling out.
But it's
just
loose.
moved freely.
It's.
We need to drop the engine. Oh, sorry. We actually haven't watched this part yet. Pull it up, pull it up.
I can't, there's that bolt. There's a bolt holding it.
Alright, that's gonna be all for the Pocket 3 probably for now. I'm gonna get it charged. Hi.
Hi.
I got a surprise for you.
Good surprise, bad surprise.
Alright, what I'm about to ready to hand you is a surprise.
Is it a snake?
Huh?
Is it a snake or animal?
No. Here you go.
Why is this out?
Looks a little short, don't you think?
Yeah, why is this out? Why is it?
Dude, hey, we gotta talk about it. Because it needs replaced. And you wanna know what the price on one of these is?
What?
100.
Just step back for a second.
Hey, where you going? Where you going?
Just step back for a second.
You gotta come back when we do the shop back.
I will be back. I just step back. Step
I-
back.
Where you going?
Let's see.
Where you going? Dude, we kinda need you here. He didn't like my surprise.
Cut the camera. Cut the camera. Josh, what happened?
So listen to me saying we needed to lock this down. Perfect the bell.
So, why is there this, not the full thing? What happened? Come here, Josh. Let's get up.
When we rotated it,
It wasn't supported.
The valves under pressure. When the valves are under pressure, there's 100 pounds of pressure on the camshaft. So when I went to go loosen on both sides, tighten down, that I couldn't put any more down. It snapped because of the pressure.
So why did we turn it when there was no camshaft?
Because we were rushing it.
Because we were rushing.
So
I
what-
said we needed to lock it down.
But lock it down. By lock it down, we meant not
never
locking them, tightening them down.
So what was the point of me going to get a new bolt if you guys were going to rush it anyways?
This was not right. We didn't rush.
No, it's not the bolt. This was
bound to happen.
This was yesterday.
We screwed
Or the day
this
before.
up.
Yesterday.
We screwed this up when we locked them. It was just a matter of time. Whoever undid the first bolt.
So I'm confused as to how it snapped though.
So look here. I'm hoping this is fine. This one's fine. So it was like this. Hopefully these are okay too. Those are fine. So what happened is, you see this right here? This right here was pushing on one of these springs, and these springs have a lot of force. And it was bending it upward. Well, it was still tightened down, so it's putting all the pressure right here. And so I put down one right here, and when I was gonna take this one off because I needed this one to go there, it goes because of the pressures here. Because of us not, because when we rotated it, it moved it up. Because it's not, look at it, it's not sitting down. You see that? It's outside of its well. And that's been like that because when we rotated it, like I said, we needed to lock it down. Otherwise, I didn't know that would happen. I knew something could happen, but I just uncovered it. So
All right. So what is the plan moving forward?
right now, you're out of camshaft. I'm sure you can find an off-market one that don't really matter. We need to take this off anyway, which means I'll take this off, which means we might as well take the head off so we can clean it.
I need to go sit down.
Currently editing this video from day 7, which kind of day 6 because we didn't really do much for day 5. And if you've watched the previous episodes, you would know that. But in an earlier episode, we made a crucial mistake. Yesterday's episode, actually, we did not lock the camshafts down before rotating them, which caused basically some damage to it, and it snapped today. Basically, that's where we ended off. We decided to call it quits for the day because we were all losing motivation pretty quickly. We're all tired, and we didn't really want to get angry at each other because it's no one's fault. We should have all known, done our research before we started. Tomorrow, we're hoping to go at it. We got to repair the camshaft. They're ordered and on the way. Hopefully tomorrow goes better. We're going to take the timing chain off, but there's no point in replacing it until we know if we have to take the timing chain off to replace the camshaft. None of us know what we're doing, so therefore we need to do our research before we take any more steps. That's going to be the next step tomorrow, is just doing our research, seeing what we need to do, and then going from there. So tune in tomorrow to see what needs to be done. Thank y'all for watching. Goodbye.